Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now today we are going to learn about some of the quick commands that helps you to draft in AutoCAD fluently and in efficient way. There are some of the commands that we must learn which will help in drafting. Like simply there is one command L which is for line, as you can see over here. If we'll click L and space or enter, then you can draw a line easily. For this, already told in my previous video, we have one ortho mode. If we'll on that mode, then it will be stable. Look, similarly L command is for line. So we have another command that is frequently used, that is REC, represents for rectangle. Directly we can make rectangle by using REC command, and with space then we can draw a rectangle as we want of our size. And then this is line, this is rectangle, and circle C space, then look, click at one point, then click, then it will be in the form of circle. And these are the simple tips and tricks for line, rectangle, and circle. Similarly, there are many other commands like polyline, where polyline can be drawn by using command PL. Polyline means many lines joining with each other. I will off my ortho mode. This is the polyline from which we can make one whole object. And there is one command hatch which will be helpful for hatching the objects by using command H. Now let me use it, H space hatch, and I can hatch this polygon by using H command, and I will be using any of these from selecting here. Let me use this brick. Then look, this has been hatched. You can see this is hatch property. Okay, now there are other commands like match property and trim, extend. I will teach you how to do all of these things. Now similarly, one of the most useful commands in AutoCAD while drafting is offset. Offset can be used by using command O and enter. Then using offset command we will be easily we can easily move this line over certain distance by introducing here like 12 feet and space. Then I will click over this line, and to this side or that side we must know that. Then I will click over here, then look, this distance is 12 feet. Let me check this, DLI space 12 feet. Okay, this distance is 12 feet. It is easy to make. Then other like match property. Match property, how can we match property? What is match property? Then I will show you. Here is one option, by layer. I will draw one line using some colors like red. Then L space, this line is red, this line is white, but I want these two lines red as well. Now I will use match property command, MA space, then I will click over here, then I will transfer this color this line and this line as well. Look, it can be also used over here. This is the property, this is the command that match property works. Similarly, no, I'm not using now, but we can do like that. And then similarly, I want to trim some extended part, like from here to here. I don't want this upper part. Then I will be using tr space space double space, then only it will be trimmed, otherwise it won't. Then trim, and I will be clicking over here and here, then this will be removed. Okay, similarly, if we will, if we have to extend some this line to over this, then we can use ex space, then we can extend the line. Similarly, for calculation of distance, we can use DAL or DLI, then space, click to one point and click to another point. Distance are at, these lines are at 12 feet distance. Thank you for watching my video, and please comment on comment section if you like to learn more commands, and if you will be confused about the commands, then I will be replying that. Thank you, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share.